I'm absolutely fried. I was out there for like 2 hours and probably caught like 2 waves that I thought were acceptable, but I mean, they were fun waves. It was kind of like a tricky day because I had to come early because I got plans I got to do later, and the tide is still on the low side, so I ride a longboard, obviously, as you know, so it was like kind of like, you know, very steep, pitchy, so I had to get in really early and get down the line pretty quick to avoid basically going over the handlebars, the falls, whatever you want to call it, but super fun. And you know, that's like 3 times in the past like 7 days. Yeah, 3 times in 8 days. So pretty stoked. Heading to Iceland on Tuesday. All conditions go well. I'll be surfing there as well. So all good. Good. Life is good. So man, good stuff.
I totally trust your advice.
Awesome.
My circumstance